Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to play as Grimkins in hide and seek party on Heartopia. So in the latest update, Heartopia added a new multiplayer gameplay that called hide and seek party, where players will randomly become either a journalist or a Grimkins. And now if you get the Grimkins role, here's the safe strategy to use. During the phase 1 like this, just place some random furniture in the house as the distractions like this. You can put any furniture that looks suspicious enough to confuse the journalist later. Just put the furniture by tap on this icon, this button. For example like this, and then after that, then when the phase 2 start, just choose the another furniture shape and hide by blending naturally with the rooms, just like that. And don't act too obvious, try to look like a part of the decorations. And after that, just tap on the lock icon to lock your disguise, and then just tap on the ghost icon to lift the furniture body like this. And then now your real character becomes the invisible ghost mode or spirit mode, while your disguised furniture stays there looking completely normal. And this is the fun part because you can freely fly around the entire house, watch the journalists panic, and see them checking random furniture while your disguise just sits there peacefully. And that's one of the easiest ways to survive as Grimkins in Heartopia hide and seek. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!